Greetings everyone, welcome aboard. My name is Joseph James. It's August 24, 2010. Here's your live stream recap brought to you by SchoolOfTrade.com. Now guys, another great day in the room. We got one full week left of the month of August. We're almost out of the woods here, guys. Remember, after Labor Day, we were expecting a very big fall in front of us, guys. Whenever we have an active summer, we always have an active fall. Last summer was pretty quiet, right? And we had a great fall last fall. This summer, probably the most active summer we've seen in a while. I've been doing this for a long time, and guys, when we see an active summer like this, we expect to see a very good fall. So, guys, be expecting we're going to make $30,000 in the month of November this month. All right, the month of December is going to be a big month for us. So now's a great time to be studying hard, right? Getting in the rhythm, right? Our daily routine, waking up early, maybe staying up late, whatever it is for you guys, where you guys are coming in, and being ready for the fall. All right, now I want to remind you guys real quick, on the blog right now, use the search box, use the live support, right? We got someone standing by 24/7 to help you guys, right? Go to our YouTube page, watch some YouTube videos, all right? Go to our Facebook page, right? Join our Facebook fan club. Biggest thing though is follow me, all right, guys? Click that follow me button, guys, and follow the blog. Now, if you can't follow the blog, no worries. Just simply make sure you guys sign up for our newsletter. Our newsletter will make sure you guys get all the updates when it's sent out. But if you can follow the blog, you'll be the first one to know when something new is added. So videos, articles, right, trade calls, they're all posted on the blog, guys. Let's keep moving. We took 2, 4, 6, 7 total trades. We started on gold. We finished on gold. We had a $1,000 winner on gold today at 10:15 after we had taken a $200 winner on crude. So we really had a relatively easy day today. When I say relatively, what I mean is the summertime is usually not going to give us these big moves like this. But something got in the water at about 9:30 today, and you can see we were chopping around here until about 9:35, and then at 9:30 here, bam, all of a sudden the market starts moving. We'll talk about that more a little bit later on this morning in this video. 223 ticks, 2230 for the day. We did 1400 yesterday, and so now here we are at 3630 for the week. We're now just shy of 21,000 for the month and over 127,000 for the year. Let's keep moving. We'll keep you guys posted the rest of the month of August, but guys, what a great month so far. Now, what's the most important thing that happened today? Well, we had lots of movement today at 8:30. It was kind of a weird environment today because usually in the summertime, we spend a lot of time just chit-chatting, right? Going through the motions, right? Setting up a morning routine. So normally there's not going to be a lot of action at 8 o'clock. This morning, though, we had a ton of movement, and it kind of surprised us because we don't see it very often in the month of August. Usually we got to wait till after 9:30 before we really start seeing things go. Not the same today. Lots of movement today early in the morning at 8:30. We had a real easy morning prep this morning because we had lots of movement. It really gave us an easy job at defining where we wanted to be trading today. Remember, guys, our morning prep is when we go through, we draw our trend lines, we set up our charts, we review all the markets, and we determine where we should be or shouldn't be looking to trade that day, right? So our morning prep begins at about 8:15 every morning. So we saw a real easy morning prep this morning because we had lots of movement. Now, gold and crude, they set up right away. We were taking trades on gold and crude at 8:30, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 10:30. We were trading gold and crude all day today. So it really sped up quickly and kept going pretty much throughout the entire morning. Now, at 9:30 this morning, tough to tell what the actual reason was because obviously it was at the open. The dollar dropped. Now, when we saw the dollar drop, everything else jumped. We then got horrible home sales. Pending home sales were down 27% at 10 o'clock. We had 10 o'clock news, right? That, of course, then dropped the dollar even more. So 9:30, the dollar begins to tumble. We have 10 o'clock news. The 10 o'clock news is horrible, right? And that caused a drop even more. Big winner today, though, was gold. We earned over 200 ticks on gold. One trade we took today, right, which I think a lot of you guys grabbed with me, was over 100 ticks, a $1,000 winner on the gold this morning. Let's take a look here. Now, again, we started off on gold today, and like I said, we had a pretty easy job when it came to our morning prep. Now, here is the gold 34 range, right? Here's my 34 range chart, and of course, my 34 range chart, right? This is going to be my slow time frame. Now, my slow time frame, I'm going to look for, right, the big picture. I want to see where the big picture is. There's a big supply, the big demand, right? Where is my support and my resistance? And of course, when I open up my 34 range, I see right away, right, there's your high, there's your low. We have ourselves what? A sideways range. So of course, with this sideways range, what do? We sell the highs, we buy the lows. So we had a pretty easy job this morning. We knew, of course, here at 12.13, at 12.12.13, well, 0.3, 12.12.3, we'd be buying, and we knew we'd be selling at 18.4. Okay, so right off the bat, where are we? We are right at those lows now here at 8:30 this morning. So right away, we see sideways range on gold. We're trading at the lows of that sideways range, so we better hurry up, right? We don't want to miss this long trade. So we immediately now, 12.12.3, we now zoom in on our faster time frame chart. So here we are now. This is not a 34 range now. This is a 4 range chart. And a 4 range chart, similar to a 1 minute, right? A 2 minute, an 89 tick chart, right? Something similar to that. Okay, so a very fast scalper's time frame. As you can see, right, here's my 12.12.3. So we're at the bottom of that range that we had defined on our slower time frame. Okay, we come down, we test the low of day. Now guys, whenever we're at the low of day, we're always looking for chances to take a reversal. We had a couple chances here, but you can see momentum, right, never wanted to agree with us. Momentum kept pointing down on us and was overbought. What we did was we then waited to get above this swing high. Finally, momentum curls up. We break above that swing high, and there, of course, is your two-step pattern long. 13.8 is the fill. We took 2 off at 5. I get filled at 2 off at 6. That's 12. Plus 10 is 22. Plus 9 is 31 ticks.